Am I audible?
Morning, sir.
Fine. We'll wait for a few more minutes if someone still wants to join. Till then, what we can do, you can show me your faces so that we used to get to know each other till we start the formal discussion. Am I visible, Christopher? So it seems that you all are in very relaxed mood. Okay, nice. That is nice. How many students are there? If someone knows. Is we first of all, is there anyone from C batch? Is there C batch? I think there is no C batch. Anyone knows? Anyone having idea about C batch?
No, sir.
Is there anyone from C, is there C batch first of all?
No, sir.
Okay, there is A and B only, na?
Sir, this is class means fundamental math.
Sorry. This is engineering graphics lab.
सर ये न्यू टाइम टेबल है.
Don't know. Whatever timetable, I don't know. It is given to me also. Wait a minute. What's the issue?
Right now we are fundamental mathematics.
Batch A.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Chemical branch. Which branch?
Civil.
No, sir. Mechanical, chemical, and civil.
So all three are having that mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Timetable, latest timetable.
Cello.
This is the latest timetable I have received. Okay, with effect from today. So according to that, we are having lab. Batch B is having lab of DUG. That is the fundamental
Sir,
of
we have
mathematics.
known.
We haven't received any upgraded timetable. We have the whole timetable itself.
Okay, but nice enough. You know what batch you are. If you are in A
Yes,
batch,
sir. I have.
okay, listen to
Yes,
me.
sir.
Listen to me, everyone. If you are from A batch, you are having engineering graphics lab, and if you are from B batch, you are having fundamentals of mathematics. Now, please circulate these among your class group immediately so that everyone can join.
सर सिविल
Okay.
वाले जो है वो ए बैच में है और मैकेनिकल वाले
Fine, so civil people will join na, engineering graphics, and maths mechanical people will go to mathematics. That is the latest timetable. It is being shared, I think, in first year. I will share once this class gets over. I will also share that.
Sir, can you new in the group?
Sorry. Hello. What do you want? I am not. I'm not getting you.
Please sir, share the new timetable.
Okay, I'll share it. Wait a second. अरे ये ड्रिल मशीन किसके यहाँ चल रहा है भाई? उसको बोलो कि म्यूट करो. And one more thing, everyone got official email ID? Hello?
No sir.
Okay. So check out. I sent you the latest timetable. Please check it out. According to that, civil people or say batch A people are having engineering graphics lab, and remaining students are having engineering mathematics. So all civil people are admitted or not? How many are there? Hello.
भेजा
I need. Is there anyone who is CR or something like that? Is there anyone?
Sorry, sir. Who?
Anyone is CR or say batch representative or something like that? Anyone officially or not?
No.
Okay, so please give one of the correspondence from your side voluntarily, so that I can convey him and I can ask him whatever I want. Anyone, please be volunteer. It will be, things will be smoother. चलो भाई डिसाइड कर लो कितना टाइम लोगे. एक आदमी अपना नंबर दे दो. फिर मैं रैंडमली किसी को भी पिक कर लूंगा, ठीक है? एंड आई विल वांट एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम हिम.
सर आधे स्टूडेंट अभी मैथ्स की क्लास में है.
That is fine. That is batch B. I am talking about batch A. All civil people, na? Batch A. Am I correct?
Civil and mechanical, no, sir?
Batch A. I am talking about batch A.
Batch A is civil.
Batch A. Am I audible clearly or not? Yeah.
यस सर.
Ganesh is saying I am audible. Okay, so we will deal with Ganesh only. Fine. So Ganesh, tell me how many students are there in batch A? I am talking about batch A, not whole civil, mechanical, chemical. You are not audible.
I
You don't know?
not perfect answer.
Okay, so who can give me precise answer or say near to precise answer?
Sir, can I collect the information about this question?
सर 6 ही है.
सर बैच है, सिविल में 6 है, मैकेनिकल में 8 है और केमिकल में 22 समथिंग है.
केमिकल में 25 है.
So that is batch.
25 है.
Okay, so it is like chemical is batch B, and A is maths, mechanical plus civil.
सर जो टाइम टेबल पीडीएफ
I just shared your timetable, na? Wait a second, I will share. And you are also given this thing, na? Civil Sam 1 batches are given. Now I will. So Chaudhary, Ushali, Mayavanshi Ronak. Is there Mayavanshi Ronak? Is there? Patel Neil, Patel Tanuj, Solanki Ganesh, Punda Priyanka. These are from A batch. Civil. Then whole mechanical is also in batch A. Amal.
नहीं आ रहा है सर.
Sorry.
ये किसी का माइक चालू है इसलिए आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है.
अरे तो माइक बंद करो. ये ड्रिल मशीन किसका चालू है भाई? बंद करो. हेलो. नायर विपिन, मिश्रा शिवम, काकड़िया तीर्थ, नावड़िया ब्रिजेश, साहू कृष्णकांत, सोनार ध्रुव, यादव आशीष. These are in A batch. Okay. And whole chemical is in B batch. So civil and mechanical people must be here right now. That is numerically 8 plus
14, sir.
okay, 14. Then you know fine enough. Then why are you wasting time? Make it fast. All have joined.
Yes.
That's A batch is mechanical plus civil right now. You have been said. I will share again. This is what I got recently. Now check your group, please. I have shared recent batches, which is so batch A is civil plus mechanical. Batch B is chemical. 14 students must be there right now. Are we having 40 students? 41, 2. Is it something like that? A whole batch is missing, a whole branch is missing. Say, for example, mechanical people are not there, and you all are from civil. Is it like that? At least any one of you take lead and answer me. It is the one-way combination. It is not. That name will be corrected. You contact office. I don't know about that name. Please contact office. And it's long way to go this semester. You better contact office and get it corrected. First of all, give me one person to correspond with. Ronak Mayavanshi, are you interested? Who is this? Who is writing Neil? Neil, can we talk? Neil, can we talk? Please switch on your microphone so that we can talk.
सर ड्रिल
Sorry? अच्छा ड्रिल मशीन तुम्हारे यहाँ है अच्छा ओके आज किसी और को हैंड ओवर कर दो आज के दिन यू गिव समवन नेम ना दोस्त चलो टाइम वेस्ट मत कर डियर फटाफट कोई एक तो बताओ तुम्हें कुछ पूछना है कहना है तो मैं बात कर सकता हूँ तीन कैन वी
Okay.
टॉक तनुज
Yes, sir.
कैन वी टॉक
Yes, sir. Of course.
okay so what I am asking see I can see 10 people also remaining can be absent that is fine but they should not be in some other labs or attending something else is it the case
No, sir. It's not like that.
okay so whoever is present and whoever are not present are absent
Yes, sir.
okay fine now we will start then now you switch off your microphone everyone and we will start the lab session now first of all Tanuj what has been covered in EG lab till date hello
The section to axis still there.
sorry
Parallel to axis that.
I'm not getting scale is done na?
Okay. Well done.
Scale is done ellipse is also done
Parabola and hyperbola done.
parabola and hyperbola is also done in lab
No, sir.
No.
No,
Done.
sir.
get it clear dear
Remaining.
scale is done now first of all answer me this much okay so whatever it may be we will start afresh if it is repeat then you will get revision if you have not understood anything it will be revised okay but now onwards what I suggest is wherever now you uh, now everyone switch off their microphone and now what we will do is start Okay. Now, can you see my another ID with my hand in it? Can you see? Okay, I will explain. That is not any issue. I am starting parabola. Okay, whatever is covered. Okay, fine. Then I will start parabola. Is there any issue in some previous topic? You just tell me later on that I will cover it in next class. Fine. Right now, we'll start with parabola without any confusion and without wasting much time. First of all, reply me that you can see my pen in another ID. I have pen. Can you see what I can write or likewise? Pin that screen. Is it visible or not? Yes, this one. No?
Not visible.
No, visible,
Visible.
no, bro. Yes, okay.
Visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, now it's
No, sir, not visible.
I can also
oh,
see.
yeah.
You pin that, no?
You were right, bro.
Sorry? What happened, bro?
Getting the video, that's why.
Now see if you can see me. So what I will do, I
सर
will.
से दिख रहे हो
मुझे
और
भी
कुछ
सर
नहीं दिख
Audible and visible?
only audible, not
Sorry?
visible. You are only audible.
I am.
Now you are visible.
You see.
Okay.
What I prefer that you see to. Wait a minute. Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay. That next time onwards, you also sit with your and you may have gone through instrument. What are useful? Some of them are very useful in our drawing. Plus scale, you must scale. Fine. Then another is long scale. Should be having this long scale. Okay, so these things you should be having. Then this is protector. This also must be with you. Then we are having this compass. It is very useful and very much required. Fine. Set squares. Set squares. Okay. Instruments and which are also having this some curves. These are fine. They used in designing and etc. But you will be having protector in these also. Fine. To have this, and you are from civil branch and mechanical require drafter. If you are having drafter, it is a versatile tool and it is very convenient to use.
drawing or say your formation way faster you can do. Okay. Now,
One page head.
sorry.
Just what is the use of drafter?
That I will explain. You don't worry, and I'm not telling to buy it immediately. These three things will serve our purpose as of now. But when you will go in higher, you will require drafter definitely. You must require drafter in a higher. Then you will get it. Right now, what we require is 4 items. This a long scale, and if you are having universe, fine, must be with you.
Okay,
If you
sir.
don't have, you better get it by today, so that in whatever. And one big later on you are required to. This is the paper. See, you can see the size. Okay, it is
Sir, which
bigger.
size?
Fine. So sketchbook routine will also sheets required to be submitted at the end, and you are give your exam also here. So this clear?
Yes.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Wait a second. So first of all, what you do, you write down. I will speak. You and what we do is we need to just is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
nice. So what we have is
What we have seen earlier is, uh, sorry, rectangle method. Okay, that's this we have already seen. Okay, up to this we have already seen. Okay, Is there any doubt in this rectangle method? First of all, is there any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
This
No.
is very simple enough.
Clear.
Now, here one important point
Sir,
is
sir.
there. Yes.
Sir, I have doubt.
Speak up.
Uh, horizontal line है
Which horizontal line?
ये can I show
Yeah. Go ahead.
sir this इसमें 1 और 2 के भी ये लेना है ये
Distance. No, no, no. Okay, I got your question. You clear the dot. I got your question. Now, what we require to do first of all is, I will go back again. If there is any doubt, you can see immediately. Tell me, if possible, I will clear it immediately. If not, I'll get it back to you as soon as possible. But you don't keep doubt in your mind. Okay. So what is the point? First of all, this vertical line, what is here, is divided into equal number of parts. I am telling a equal number of parts. What may be? It may be anything. Right now, I am using word equal number of parts. Okay. For example, what we have done here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal number of parts. This line is divided. Fine. Okay. What we will do next? We will also divide the bottom line, or say bottom this section, left section also in 6 number of parts. If we have divided it in 3 number of parts, then our bottom also we will be dividing in 3 number of parts. Whatever number we will use here, not the length. Length may be varying because dimension is varying. We are concerned with same number of parts. Okay. Is the doubt is clear now?
yes
Okay. So equal number of parts we will divide this line in. Okay. Now the interesting topic here. What is the optimum number? Means say some of you may say, let us do it in 3 parts only. We will have to draw less. We will have to have less labor. Someone can think of that. That is fine. Someone can say, why 6 only? It is some nauseous or say
नहीं आ रही
suspicious.
है
Huh? Sorry.
सर आप
Hello?
हाँ
Am I audible? Hello. May I go ahead?
सर अब आ रही है
Now what I am telling, that why we have chosen here 6 parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. Why? Point is, there is no rule as such that you should divide in 6 parts or 8 parts or 3 parts only. But now we'll discuss one important aspect. Now just imagine if we were having 3 parts only here. So we will be having 3 parts only here. Fine. So ultimately we will be having intersection points. How many intersection points we would have got? Only 3. So from 3 points, you require to draw a curve, which you don't know what is the shape of that curve. If just I will give you one more example. If you are having only 2 points, for example, I will rather draw. If this is 1 point and this is 1 point. Fine. Now I tell you, draw the parabola. How you will draw? Draw the locus of parabola. How you will draw? It will be very difficult. Someone will try like this. Okay, sir, this is mine. Someone will try like this. Someone will try like this. And so on. They all are correct in their own approach, but it is not correct. So what is ideal or say advisable is, we should be having more number of points. as more as you can have. So automatically it takes the shape of curve. Are you getting me? See, here we are having how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 points as compared to 2 earlier. So now what you require to do? Now you just join it precisely. This is the ultimate shape what we require. Are you getting me? So more the number of parts we divide in, whatever the geometry is, more the intersection point we get, like these, 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 and so on. Are you getting? So if you would have divided this part in 12 number of parts, this vertical line, so automatically we require to divide this left bottom section also in 12 parts. So we would have got 12 points within this region. Are you getting my point? 12 points you would have got in this region. So your curve would have been lot finer. This in PPT I am showing that is a computer generated graph. That is fine. But when you will do actual in sheet, then it will be lot different. So have a habit of having at more than at least 6 to 8 parts minimum, so that you will get good amount of points, and ultimately you will be able to draw the curves, smoother curve. Fine. Is there any doubt regarding this equal number of parts? Anyone? So that is the discuss next. That was the next discussion here. See, I have marked it equal. It is told equal, but what equal? How much? How many number? Means it is equal, but how much? 8, 10, 12. That depends on person. Fine, but it should be minimum 6 to 8, so that you will get good amount of points and your curve will be smoother, as I explained you earlier. More the point, better is the smoothness, better fit the curve. Curve fits better. Understand? Okay. So we will start further. First of all, let me see how many questions are there. So I think 9. So three person are absent. Okay, I assume that. Fine enough. Okay. So what we will do? We will start video. And we will start sharing. So now I will speed up this PPT for this particular problem, and you just imagine how the things goes in time lapse kind of thing. That time lapse you will be performing in your sheet ultimately, and you will be getting that product. What we require here, the product is parabola. This is the time lapse version. Okay, and the equal, what we have equal means how much the number what we have discussed in detail. Fine. Now we will draw parabola with tangent method. Fine. Now what is told here? Draw an isosceles triangle of 100 mm long base and 110 mm long altitude. I have shown earlier slide that what is the altitude. Fine. Inscribe a parabola in it by the method of tangent. So these are the steps. Screen is gone, but there is what is the solution? Wait a minute. I'll just. share it again. Now, is it clearer?
Yes.
Okay. Now it is clear, na? Okay. We'll start again. Okay. So now we will discuss how to draw parabola by method of tangent. Okay, by with given these dimensions and geometry. Base is 100 mm and altitude is 110 mm. So what we'll do? We'll create one isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Anyone?
60 angle.
Four sides are equal.
All sides are equal. Sixty angle, if you talk about, then one is 60. And what are the remaining angles?
All the angles are 60 and
All the sides are same. Then we are not having all the sides are same. We are having 100 and 110. Is it correct or you are correct?
sir, in
Yes.
degree, sir.
Right, that is fine, but its altitude is this vertical distance. Fine. Altitude is this.
Okay.
So how you will draw this? You will have to first of all, I will show you. You will have to draw this line. That is 100 mm. It is given here. Fine. Then from here
Okay.
you take compass. You set it to 110 mm. It is given. From here you mark one arc here like this, and from point B again 110 mm it is as it is given. So we will mark here, and ultimately we will get this point. Okay, and you will be able to draw this isosceles triangle of that given geometry. That we will also see when we proceed to sheet. First of all, understand the methodology. Okay, so this is AB line that is of 100 mm long base. It is given. Then C point we have derived. How we have derived that I discussed. Then what we'll do again, line AC is divided into equal number of parts. That you require to select how many equal number of parts you want to do. As I told you earlier, more the division, smoother is the curve. Simple as that. We will practically validate this thing also. We'll divide in two groups, people in two groups, and some will go with smaller number of parts, and other batch will go with a higher number of parts, and we will examine the curves, respective curves drawn by the students, and we will come to know that more the parts, smoother is the curve. So what we'll do, we will divide this AC line into equal number of parts. Say for same way, same number of equal parts in CB line also. If this is 14, then this is also 14. If this is 10, this is also 10. Equal number of parts. Fine. So we will name them. On line AC, we will start from A and we'll give the points name to A 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. And the corresponding point here, opposite to this 14. Now we will start naming from that point. This C point can be told as number 15. Fine, but we don't require that thing to create confusion. We'll go up to these only. This is common point, so we will avoid. We will just focus on point which are on this line AC only, not in CB. So C gets eliminated. And from CB line, we will give name in descending order, ascending order from C to B. Fine, or say from base to again the altitude point or say vertex in descending order. Are you getting my point? Direct order is reverse. We will do this much. Any doubt up to this much? Anyone?
No, sir.
So now what we will do, we will join same name point on opposite lines. For example, 1 from here to here, then 2 from here on left side to right side, 3 from left side to right side. We'll keep this until all points get exhausted. We'll keep drawing these lines and matching the same point, 8 to 8, 9 to 9, 10 to 10, 11 to 11, and likewise till all points get exhausted. Now you just see here, it automatically took the shape of parabola, though the curve is yet to be drawn. But see, you can see the curve which is there, that is parabola. Understood? Now, if instead of this 14, we would have 20, for example, then there will be smoothest possible curve. No, here we are having this, say for example, some angular thing. Here also we are having some angular shapes that could have been avoided. If we take more number of points, that could have been avoided, and it is up to the student or say person who is preparing that drawing. There is no specific rule as such that it should be this much only. So in exam also, or say anywhere you, whenever you go, wherever you go and whenever you draw, you can take up to your convenience how perfect your freehand is, because now what is required, this we will get this locus, we have got all this tangent. Means why it is called tangent, that is also that I will explain you. But right now we are having this body of a structure. Now curve is drawn such that it is tangent to each and every of this line which we have created. It should be, curve should be such that it should be tangent to each and every line. So now we will see how it goes. See, there is some minor problem in this PPT, but when we will draw by our freehand, we will be having lot clearer. This won't be there as such. So this is the parabola, what we can get. Understood? And why it is called tangent method? Because this all the above lines are tangent to the curve. That's why it is called tangent method to draw parabola. Simple. Is there any doubt in this tangent method?
No, sir.
Is it simple and clear enough? We will be having one sheet problem based on this method. Fine. That we will start very soon. Now, parabola with directrix and focus method. Now, someone was telling that directrix focus method was not understood. So now pay attention to this. Whether it is ellipse or hyperbola or parabola, methodology remains same. Fine. So now we will see directrix method. What is the problem statement? Point F is 50 mm from a vertical straight line. We have discussed earlier that what is point F. Point F is the focus. What is that straight line? That is directrix. So this becomes directrix focus method. At times, see, at times what happens in exam? Question can be that draw parabola, that is fine. But you are also mandated to follow particular method. For example, tangent method, or say rectangle method, or say oblique rectangle method, or directrix focus method. It is written like that. Then you should follow that method only. Though you know simpler method, you can't go with that and can't later on give excuse that I have drawn at least parabola. No, that is fine, dear. You are told that draw parabola and you have drawn, but you are told that draw with this method, so you should follow that method also. Fine. So this is point and straight line. That means it is directrix focus method. Draw the locus of point moving in a plane such that it always remains equidistant from F and line A. Now, here it is not directly told you to draw parabola, straight line. The definition of this conic section is given. Locus of point moving in a plane such that its distance from a point to a line remains same. That is given in that form. Understood? Now one more thing that we will discuss when the point arrives sooner. So what we will do, these are the steps. First of all, we'll create one standing line or say vertical line from AB. From the center of that, we'll create one horizontal line that will work as axis of that, and we'll mark one point focus. What is given? So OF distance is how much? It is 50 mm. It is given already. It is 50 mm. Fine. Now here, what is that? This is vertex. Fine. Now vertex means the point which is on the curve. How to get this point? Where to get this point? On OF line, it can be anywhere, na? Then anyone give me answer? Anyone please speak up. Try to give me answer. How this is decided? V point is. It could have been anywhere, na, on the OF line.
Sir, here not given the
Sorry, your voice is not audible. And whenever you speak now, see, when we will have routine classes, personal to person meeting, that is more convenient as such. And this easy subject also, particularly, more feel is there when you draw in person or say with these actual sheets and actual instruments, etc., rather than going through these PPTs. But still, whenever these some current normal is there, you speak up by following by your name, so that slowly I will get to know who is speaking, etc. Please go ahead. How this V point is marked here?
sir.
Yes, who's that?
Ganesh Solanki.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, here not specific ratio. Like same ratio.
Your voice is cutting here. I'm not able to hear you. Hello.
Clear.
Now I can hear you. Please go ahead.
This question, the
Hmm.
question not given the ratio
Sorry.
on the both side. Sir, I network issue.
But
Because
try to somehow, or say in chat, you speak up. I will try to assume what you are telling.
he in the question
Hmm.
not given the specific both side means from focus
Yes,
text
correct.
to direct
That is
text.
the point. Now here there is one trick. What trick I meant to say? Currently we are studying parabola. This problem we are dealing under parabola heading. Fine. So for parabola, what is the eccentricity?
1.
1. So that is the distance of that point which is traveling is having same distance from directrix as well as focus. So this V for this current problem is the midpoint of line OF. Are you getting me? Now the same problem, here you are being taught parabola, that's why you are confirmed that it is 1, and that's why this it be midpoint of this line OF. But in exam, if this much is only given, that just draw the locus of the point, etc. Nothing is given. So you have option over there. You have what option? You have option to go away with any other curve. You can mention over there the eccentricity I am assuming 2 and it is hyperbola. Or say eccentricity is equal to 1 I am assuming, and I will proceed with parabola. Or say eccentricity is equal to point something 75 or say less than 1, and that's why it will be ellipse. Understood? That's why the concept of eccentricity is very important. Fine. So here in this particular problem, it will be the midpoint of OF. That's fixed because we are dealing with parabola. Eccentricity is 1. So now what we will do, and it is called vertex. Now what we will do, we will on this right hand side of V, on this VF part, we'll take some equal amount of equal number of parts. Some, it is not fixed, up to not equal to F. Say for example, this in current form, what will be the length of EF? VF, it will be 2.5. Fine. So what I am assuming that is 0.1 mm. These points are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. I can go up to 20, 50, whatever. I discussed you earlier, more the points you fetch, smoother is the curve. So currently what I have done, I have taken 4 equal successive parts. This one part, 2, 3 and 4. From that, I will draw vertical lines, long vertical lines. That is one part. Now what I will do, see what is the, again, we will switch over to our definition of parabola. What is the definition of parabola? That its distance, locus point is distance from fixed line, that is directrix, this is AB, to focus remains same. So in this in point V, our definition is validated. Fine. OF is equal to VF, we are having. Now what we will do, we'll take one point from this directrix. Then the directrix, we are having this O point. So what we will do, we will measure this O to 1. That is one distance. For example, it is 5 centimeter. For example, just to have whole number, it is 500. Now, if there should be one point following this OF is equal to 5 centimeter distance, then it should be having same distance from F also. Agreed or not? First of all, because this is parabola and E is equal to 1. So same distance from focus as well as directrix. Fine? Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we will do, we will take distance from O to 1. That much distance from using compass. And from that distance we'll put compass here and we'll mark arcs on this vertical line 1, and we will get 2 points because it can be upper side as well as lower side. So we will get 2 points, namely P1 and P2. Again we will repeat this exercise with O2. Take distance O2, put your compass on F and mark arc on this line 2. So what will happen, that in this case what is happening, OP1 is equal to P1F. OP2 is equal to P2F. The distance is same, this distance. We have marked these points. Fine. So we have got this line. Again we will follow the procedure with O2. That will fetch us 2 more points. Then we will follow the same procedure with O3. That will fetch us 2 more points.
Sir.
Likewise, we will get n number of points. So if these parts are more, for example, instead of stopping at 4, we could have 8. Then we could have got how many number of points? 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17 points total. So your curve would have been lot smoother as compared to what you will get by this. Fine. See, this is the curve. The problem is solved. Join all these points in a smooth curve and you get what is required, that is parabola. And this is called directrix focus method. Fine. Any doubt in this? Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Someone was having doubts earlier, messaged me some directrix focus method is not understood. Who was that?
Neil.
Neil, is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Is it Neil? Drill machine stop?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
For 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Fine. See, these are some limitations or say some adverse effect of working from home and like that. It is fine enough. Nothing to feel anything like that. It's okay. We have to manage this only. Okay, so this is the curve. Fine, a parabola, what was asked. And it is also called eccentricity method. If you are told draw particular curve using eccentricity method, means directrix focus method. Are you getting me? So we need to draw it by eccentricity method is same as directrix focus method. Fine. Now, before going to hyperbola, what we will do is we'll start one problem of sheet. Okay, I'll give you problem statement. You write down the first problem statement. And as I mentioned you earlier, now onwards, whenever there will be a session of EG Lab, you should be prepared with some sketchbook, that big blank paper page like what I showed you earlier, and these instruments, roller scale, protector, compass, scale, etc. If you don't have the proper as of now, that is
So,
fine. Sorry, is there any
hello,
problem?
sir.
So write down this problem. Construct a parabola using the tangent method if the base is given and axis length is given. Here, it is not simple as what we did, what we studied in this DPT. It is not same. That one, what was that? That total dimension of that triangle was given. And within that triangle, we need to draw this. Here, triangle is not given. Here, dimension of parabola is given rather than triangle. So first of all, you need to generate triangle. And from that triangle, you
Sir,
need to
screen is
generate.
not visible.
Whose screen is not visible? My screen is not visible.
No, sir.
Wait a minute. And then could have speak it earlier. No? Okay, no problem. Now, hope it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down the first problem in your notebook or whatever. See, the dimension is such a small that even in your notebook you can prepare. So right now we will be preparing. I will be preparing with you also. Now there are two options right now I am thinking of. First is this, that I showed you now earlier, my pen, my instrument, etc. So in that manner I will draw simultaneously. So you will also draw. Another is I will just show like these PPTs and something in other software, say for example in AutoCAD. But what you would prefer? I should draw with you, so that you will also get to feel what are some shortcuts I'm using or something like that. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Size of the sketchbook I showed you. See, I don't have any. Wait a minute. Then I will just give one thing. If the sketchbook is written or not. Wait a second. Yeah, I am having that. Can you see my another window?
No, sir.
Wait a second. First of all, you write it down, the question, so that I can directly switch over to the host. Have you written down first problem?
Science sketchbook.
First of all, you write it down because I am stopping this sharing. Then we can discuss what to do, where to do. First of all, write this down. First number. Is it done? You can take screenshot also now. Why are you making this one? Okay, I'm stopping. Can you see me? Okay, now visible my second window. Hello,
No, sir.
No, sir.
I can see.
Yes, sir.
Some of you can see, some of you can. How it is possible?
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that there is some that I show you. It is 27 centimeter to 34 centimeter, and you can see by the scale. Now I have put the scale. See, This much should be the size, approx size. See, it is more than in land, and it is almost this scale. Fine. Fine enough. At least anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So now what we'll do, we'll start that thing. With you, I'll also start drawing. So you also follow me. Right now, whatever base possible, I will manage. But if it is something not visible likewise, so you, first I will this horizontal line. Fine. Now, what is the problem statement? I need to see it again. Okay. That the base is 75 mm and the axis is, so what base of 70? Also start preparing with me, and you need to submit it later on. In whatever manner I will tell you, but you need to submit also. This whatever been covered in class. So you better do with me. So first is of 75 mm, that is from 0 to 75 mm. This is the base. I'll mark it as A, B. Fine. Now it is told that axis length is 45 mm. So if parabola is there, it can be like this, fine, or like this, or it can be like this. You never know. That depends on dimension. What are the dimension, or say what are the equation? That parabola equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What are the values of a, b, and c? Depending upon that, we will get either of these. That is different thing. What we will have according to this, and automatically our shape will come like this. No problem to that. Fine. So I need to rub, and I'm afraid I am having error. Okay. So now what we'll do, axis. Axis comes from center. Okay. So we need to find the center point. How we will do? Compass, help of compass. We'll here, we'll mark one over here. So this will be one point. Similar exercise we will do on bottom part. Like this. See, this easy subject is very simple and very, you just follow a few steps, that's it, and you will get what you want. So this will be the center line, so call it as bisect, but we don't get bisector of this much length. Fine, we want it, we want 40. Now we will mark this 45 on this. I'm having this roller scale, I will use that. This is the point, this is the 45. It is having circles, so I can insert my compass nicely inside it, and that length is 45. Right now, marking it over here. So what will be my shape? Shape of a parabola will be like this. Understood? But someone of you mark it here, 45, and will get parabola like this. That is also correct. No further constraint given that you should be drawing like these only or these only. It should satisfy our condition. That's it. That is the best thing. So this is the axis of the parabola. So what work at extreme point on the axis, so this will be the vertex. Vertex. Fine. Now it is told that the parabola is to be constructed with tangent method. So in tangent method, what we require? We require what we require? We require triangle. So where how to generate triangle out of this? So see, you do it precisely. My precision may not be there because due to I am facing some constraint over here. So what will be the top point of this triangle? Is so what will be the top point? Anyone can answer? Here I will get my the axis top point on this line for the. Anyone answer me? जब मैं आंसर करूं तभी तो आगे बढ़ेंगे.
7.5 से ज्यादा.
How 7.5 came? A point here on top so that we can draw the triangle like this. Fine. So where should be this point? I will tell you. Now this length is given 45 mm. That top point will be double than this. So we will again mark this 45 on this line. That is C. From there, we can generate this triangle. Okay. So which kind of triangle? Which kind of triangle is this? You get it later on, first of all. Okay. Now, anyone in tangent method? But बताओ भाई. Some time back. Okay.
Equal parts. 10 equal parts.
Correct, equal parts. So if you want to do experiment, half of you take 4 parts and remaining of half including me will take 8 parts. Okay, so you mutually take that roll number 1 to 4 take 4 parts, roll number 1 to 4 take and remaining student take 8 parts. Fine, we'll compare our curves later on. I'll also take 8 parts. Sorry. Row 4. Divide this line into 4 equal parts. Whereas remaining student will divide this line in 8 equal parts, including me. Clear? Clear?
Sir, which 1 to 4 students?
Both. Roll number 1 to 4. Ronak, Neil 00304 0 Amal. These people parts. And the Ganesh, there's Navadia Bridges, Dhruv. These people who are having roll number greater than 4 will have 8 parts. Simple as that. Why are you confused?
Okay, sir.
That thing is sorted. sort it out. Okay, we need to divide this AC line into equal parts. How we will divide? Have you learned this? How to divide the line in equal parts? Do you know? Answer me quickly, because it is not like that this line will be in some perfect integer or likewise. It should not be like that. Every time it won't be like that. In my case, what is happening? So it should be in your case also the 9.7 it is mm. 9.7 mm. How to divide that into equal 8 number of parts? It is very congested. So, anyone having any idea? Answer me. See,
Sir, taking parallel line.
correct. By drawing first of all inclined line of any angle, extending it to convenient length so that and then we can have projection over there. Fine. So we'll do it like this. Do so I am going to divide into 8 parts. So I am going to take 8 centimeter long so that it will be easier to divide. Those who are taking 4 parts also make it 8 centimeter long. You divide it. This is 0, 1. Okay. Now join first of all 2 extreme points. It is C and dash like this. And we will have parallel line. And for that, this roller is very, very useful. First of all, we roll up to the required point. We will keep marking. Line is technically into pointed zero. Only I should. It is fine enough. So this
Yes,
I want
sir.
to do on this side. How to mark?
Opposite from
Sorry. बोलो मेरे को भी कुछ हाँ
ऊपर से पॉइंट मार्क करने का.
but that is divide. How to mark these points?
Perpendicular line, direct.
स्केल से, हाँ सर.
So actually you can do these also. Na? This is projection. That is fine. Projection is perfect. Or you can do these also. Na?
वो
now
भी कर
equal
सकते
only. So
So
that's why when we will come to know different methods, and out of these, which is the shortest or quickest, easiest, we can pick up. Out of you 14
Yeah.
also you can think differently. But once you discuss on common platform, then only we can know. So these are the points, and this should be parallel. So I can have projection from these also, like this. Some of okay, but you can't directly take from projection perpendicular from this. Fine. So you should be taking parallel projections from this, like this. Got it? So ultimately I am having these. So I will name them 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. Next set. Come on fast. What is the
सर तो ज्वाइन होगा लाइन 1 लिखेंगे तो 1 2
started from 1, 2, 3, 6. It's correct.
ओके सर सर अभी 14
It's correct now.
can join now
In
1 1 2 2
it, like for naming. These are opposite only, na? I will do. I will join this. I am having two sides. Now 1 to 1. You also do 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, and 7. Are you able to like parabola drawing? Now, someone from your drawing. With 4 parts. Please someone show me. Ronak, Neil, Tanuj, Amal, any one of you?
Well,
अरे कित- चलो भाई कोई तो बताओ.
सर मैंने वीडियो
ये वापिस चला गया. Like now see this Neil 003 number. See the smoothness of your curve and see who is line. 005. Keep your view. Please. Okay. First of all, first of all, just pay attention here. Side or say Neil's graph with 4 parts. See the curve, smoothness. You still need to inscribe the parabola within it. Whereas on right hand side or say Ganesh book, see, we are already able to see the parabola within it. Able to get the point what I am pressing upon. More than feet of curve. That's it. The accuracy. Same way here also. More the number of parts. See, kind of graph already generated within this. Still, everyone understood
Yes,
this
sir.
difference? Everyone understood? You can easily see in Niels and Ganesh's book. There is a clear-cut difference. Okay, so what we will do, we'll work that the curve will be tangent to every line. First of all, this 7. Then I'll switch over to next. Then I'll switch over to next. And such that that graph will be tangent every line. So I showed you in PP in inside touching here the perfect thing. So that how much took? Anyone give me a number? Ganesh, switch off your video because if there are multiple videos, it will be disturbed. To Ganesh, how much?
uh, minutes.
Less than 5 because weeks you will be in exam. So you have to when you will be once you draw this work whatever you do it exam it will be faster and you will be doing it better. Fine. Now we'll switch over to next problem. I'll just share the next problem with you. My screen is visible. My shared screen. Another
Yes, sir.
ID.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down the next problem. This one is a bit changed kind of. Draw a curve parallel to an ellipse with major axis 100 mm and minor axis 75 mm at a distance 20 mm from it. Everyone got the question?
Yes.
Okay. It is not whether you draw outside of existing. So now it question whatever is convenient to you. Deduct any mark or no one can claim. EG, you will be having lots of situation like this. You need to understand we are violating every condition, then it is fine enough. Different from say sarcastically, are following it. So don't get confused if your friend is drawing outside and oh now my curve is coming inside. Okay. Anyone blind? Got it? Now we will start this. So now you are able to see my drawing. Other, I'll have to. Okay. So fine enough for today.
Fine, sir.
There is one complex you particular. Now today again we are having table again we another lab.
Yes.
Today 3 to 3 or something
So
like that.
that time
2
we
to
will
so that you will be joined the people, the chemical people.
so you can
Also, I need cover
आवाज
this
ही नहीं
much.
आ
अरे
आ
आ रहा है सर.
रहा
इसमें
है
पता
अभी
नहीं कोई बोल रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, आप लोगों में से ही कोई होगा. मैं तो आप लोग में से कोई मत बोलो. आज ये अपना लैब वापिस है. At that time, chemical people, the batch B people, for them this thing has to be covered again. Okay. So you need revision. Fine.
ओके सर.
Okay.
So we
So
will end up, sir.
these things will go on for at least 1 or 2 weeks, for particularly Monday. These and next Monday maybe, until this timetable gets shifted again. Because this will
Okay.
happen every time now. You will be learning lab with not learn that thing. So you will have to repeat again. Okay. So we'll
ओके
stop
सर. ओके.
for
Yes,
this
sir.
session.
We will leave.
First of all, any doubt for today's session? Anyone? Any doubt? Lab
नो
inclusive.
सर.
Any
No,
doubt?
sir. No.
Fine. Okay.
तोड़ा जे तोड़े